how to enable developer mode on Samsung Smart TV in 2025. You can unlock developer mode on a Samsung Smart TV for app side loading. On the TV, open the Smart Hub, select the Apps panel, and in the Apps panel, enter 12345 using the remote control or the on-screen number keypad. The developer mode configuration pop-up appears. Switch developer mode to on. Enter the IP address of the computer that you want to connect to the TV and click OK. Reboot the TV, and when you open the apps panel after the reboot, develop mode is marked at the top of the screen. And that's basically it. You're now in the developer mode of your Samsung Smart TV. Make sure that the TV has the latest firmware installed. Like and subscribe if this video helped. Thank you for watching.